people, my name is Rohit Sharma and you're watching Freedom Farming English channel. In today's video, we are diving deep into the world of natural farming, a practice that not only nourishes the earth but also sustains the farmer's livelihood. Whether you're an experienced farmer or just starting, these top 10 natural farming practices will transform the way you look at agriculture. So let's get started. Our first practice is zero budget natural farming, or ZBNF. Imagine farming without the hefty cost of chemical fertilizers and pesticides. Zero budget natural farming, pioneered by Subhash Pelekar, is a method where you cultivate healthy crops using natural resources found on your farm. The cornerstone of ZBNF is Jeevamrit, a potent mix of cow dung, urine, jaggery, pulse flour and water, which acts as a biofertilizer, enriching the soil with beneficial microorganisms. Another key component is Bijamrit, a seed treatment that protects your crops from pests and diseases right from the start. By embracing ZBNF, farmers can reduce their production costs significantly and enhance the quality of their produce, making it both eco-friendly and economically sustainable. Now next comes up crop rotation, a practice as old as farming itself, yet still incredibly relevant. By rotating crops seasonally, say legumes one season and cereals the next, you naturally replenish the soil's nutrients and break the cycle of pests and diseases. For example, leguminous like peas and beans fix nitrogen in soil, making it fertile for the next crop. Crop rotation also prevents the exhaustion of specific nutrients, ensuring long-term soil health and productivity. This simple yet effective practice can dramatically reduce the need for synthetic fertilizers and improve yields over time. Next we have companion planting. Have you heard of companion planting? It's like nature's way of teamwork. Certain plants, when grown together, boost each other's growth and fend off pests naturally. For instance, planting marigolds alongside your vegetables can repel nematodes and harmful insects, while basil can improve flavor of tomatoes and protect them from whiteflies. This symbiotic relationship reduces the need for chemical pesticides and encourages biodiversity in your farm. Companion planting not only helps in pest control but also improves pollination and increases crop productivity. Now let's talk about mulching. This practice involves covering the soil with organic materials like straw, leaves or grass clippings. Mulching has multiple benefits. It helps retain moisture in the soil, suppresses weed growth and enhances soil fertility as the organic matter decomposes. Imagine not having to water your crops as frequently or spend hours weeding. Mulching makes it possible. Additionally, it creates a habitat for beneficial organisms like earthworms, which further improves soil structure and health. This is a natural and efficient way to boost your farm's productivity while keeping the soil healthy and fertile. Now we have Agro Forestry, which is another powerful practice every farmer should consider. It involves integrating trees and shrubs into the farmland, which can significantly improve soil health, increase biodiversity and provide additional income streams. Trees like neem, moringa or fruit-bearing varieties like mango and guava can offer shade, prevent soil erosion and even act as windbreaks. What's more, these trees can provide fruits, fodder and timber, adding to your farm's revenue. Agroforestry also promotes a balanced ecosystem, attracting beneficial insects and birds that can help with pest control. It's a win-win for both the environment and the farmer. Now, have you ever heard of green manure? This practice involves growing specific plants, such as legumes or cover crops, and then plowing them back into the soil. These plants add valuable organic matter and nutrients to the soil, improving the structure and fertility. For instance, legumes fix nitrogen in the soil, making it available for future crops, and green manuring is a natural way to enhance soil health without relying on chemical fertilizers. It also helps in preventing soil erosion, suppressing weeds, and improving water retention in the soil, making it a vital practice for sustainable farming. Next comes up use of indigenous seeds. Indigenous seeds is a practice that's gaining renewed attention. These are traditional seed varieties that have been cultivated over generations and are perfectly adapted to local conditions. Indigenous seeds are often more resilient to local pests, diseases and climate conditions, reducing the need for chemical inputs. They also help preserve agricultural biodiversity and cultural heritage. By choosing indigenous seeds, farmers can ensure better crop survival, enhance genetic diversity and maintain sustainability of their farming practices. Next comes up vermicomposting. Let's get our hands dirty with vermicomposting. This practice uses earthworms to convert organic waste into nutrient-rich compost. Vermicompost is packed with essential nutrients and enhance soil fertility, promote healthy plant growth, and improve water retention in the soil. It's a cost-effective way to recycle farm waste and produce high-quality organic fertilizer. The worms themselves also help aerate the soil, which is crucial for root development and overall plant health. Vermicomposting is not just a farming practice, it's a step towards creating a sustainable, circular economy on your farm. Next is biodynamic farming. Biodynamic farming is more than just a farming technique. It's a philosophy that views the farm as a self-sustaining ecosystem. Developed by Rudolf Steiner, this method involves using natural preparations made from herbs, minerals, and animal manures to enhance soil health and plant growth. Biodynamic farmers follow specific planting and harvesting schedules based on lunar and cosmic cycles, believing that these rhythms influence the farm's vitality. By treating the farm as a living organism, biodynamic farming promotes harmony between the land, plants, animals, the cosmos, resulting in healthy, vibrant crops and livestock. Finally, let's talk about integrated pest management, also known as IPM. This approach combines biological, cultural, mechanical, and chemical methods to control pest populations at sustainable levels. IPM emphasizes the use of natural predators such as ladybugs and spiders. To keep pest numbers in check, it also includes practices like crop rotation, use of resistant varieties, and proper sanitization to prevent pest outbreaks. Chemical interventions are used only as a last resort and in a targeted manner. By adapting IPM, farmers can reduce their reliance on synthetic pesticides, minimize environmental impact, and ensure healthier crops. And there you have it, 10 natural farming practices that every Indian farmer should know. These methods are not only sustainable and eco-friendly, but also help in improving soil health, increasing yields, and reducing costs. By adopting these practices, you can take a significant step towards a more sustainable and prosperous future for your farm. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel, Freedom Farming English, and let's work together to make Indian agriculture more sustainable, one farm at a time. Subscribe for more farming tips and stay tuned for our next video, where we'll explore innovative farming techniques from around the world. So hit the subscribe button right now. And until the next time, happy farming!